Hello, everyone. We're going to dive into our core inquiry. We're going to do this by engaging in data collection and working with a simulation that shows heat transfer. I know that you've all seen heat transfer before. Just think about the last time you grabbed something hot. As we work on the simulation, we want to focus on what's happening when substances of different temperatures meet. Our guiding question for this simulation is we're going to look for trends that we can identify in our data when observing what happens when substances of different temperatures meet. We're going to do this through a simulation. I'm going to walk us through what that simulation looks like and how we're going to interact with it today. The first thing you're going to do is open up that simulation. It is measuring heat transfer. Go ahead and click this preview button. That will bring you to a page that looks just like this. I've already given you a couple of temperatures to test on your blocks before diving into your own work. Go ahead and go over to your worksheet and look at our data table here. This is where we're going to be recording data as we do different simulations, and this is where we're going to be taking our notes from this simulation as well. In this first row, I've given you 2 temperatures to test on your blocks. For block 1, it's 10 degrees. For block 2, that's 40 degrees. Let's go ahead and navigate over to our simulation. Block 1, 10 degrees. Block 2, 40 degrees. Perfect. Then, after you have everything set up, you're going to go ahead and press play. Watch what happens to the temperatures of the 2 blocks, block 1 and block 2. Look at what's happening to the different temperatures in this graph. Block 1, the block on the left, is this red line. Block 2, the block on the right, is this green line. What are we noticing is happening? How long did it take it to get there? When you see that the temperatures have reached equilibrium or reached the same temperature, head on over to your classwork. Final temperature of block 1, we saw that that was 25 degrees. Final temperature of block 2, we saw that was also 25 degrees. Notes and observations, we noticed that in 5 seconds, it reached equilibrium. So 5 seconds to reach equal temperature. Perfect. You're going to repeat that for 1, 2, 3, 4 different trials. 40, 10, 25, 25, and then you get to pick 2 other temperatures. I know I love to go all the way, 0 degrees and 50 degrees. You have the next 10 minutes to work with your groups and fill in the rest of your data table. Remember, you're thinking about what trends can we identify in our data when observing what happens when substances of different temperatures meet.